Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. If you are a return subscriber, welcome. Remember, this is a safe place. Everybody's loved, everybody's accepted. This video is unexpected, but my husband decided to get it for me, even though I told him not to. But anyways, it's I guess it's like the elf bar, but I'm not 100% sure because it's called EBDESIGN, but it's 5,000 puffs. It looks like this, and it's a disposable pod device designed and powered by the EBDESIGN US edition, whatever the hell that means, and it's called Beach Day. So let's open it up. It looks like this. So open this. Open this. They always put a mouthpiece on it, and they always put this on it, and you take that off. That's where you charge it, and it's a C charger. If you hear any noise in the background, it's because my husband does not know how to be quiet. So, ooh, this smells really good. It smells like one of those fruity drinks that you get like when you're on the beach. But I really like the color and the design. See if it actually tastes as good. It's not bad. I'm not really sure what it's supposed to taste like. I don't really know what the beach is supposed to taste like, but and down there's a light where the charger is that indicates green, blue, and red. And when it's flashing, that means it's like dead. But you only charge it for 15 minutes each time. Not overnight, because it can kill it, and it's just not meant to be charged overnight. But yeah, that's this. It's not bad. I'll put it in the description where it was bought. I might do a video on them, but I'm not sure yet. But yeah, until next time, go make someone smile.